Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? In today's video I will be showing you how to make this carrot and orange juice. It is very healthy and also tasty. This juice helps your skin to glow from within, I bet you, and it also works great for detox. So without further ado, let's get into it. So these are the ingredients I will be using for this juice. I will be using oranges, carrots, and ginger. I want to use 6 oranges, then 7 carrots, and those small ginger. I don't want the ginger to be too much so that it won't be too hot, you understand? So then I'll be adding a little bit of water. If you've seen my last video, if you notice that I also use ginger. That is because ginger always helps with detoxification. I don't joke with ginger in my juice and smoothies. So if you have not seen the video, I will link it down below, so go and check it out. Now I'm scraping the carrots. We are in Nigeria now, and this carrot is very dirty. Some people don't scrape it though, they wash it thoroughly, but me, I don't believe all the dirt will remove without me scraping it. So you might decide to leave your own like that, just wash it and use it, but I want to scrape my own. So let me tell you some of the benefits of carrots. Carrots are known to contain beta carotene, and this is converted to vitamin A inside your body. Carrot helps to repair skin tissue. It protects your skin from harmful radiation and also brightening your skin and make you glow. That is the main reason why I chose to use carrots. Carrots makes your skin glow from within. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. Onto the oranges. I'm peeling the oranges now. Some people actually juice their orange without peeling, but I always peel before juicing, because if I don't peel it, I believe it tastes sour somehow, so I prefer to peel then juice. Let me tell you some of the benefits of orange and the reason why I decided to use orange in this juice. Orange are very high in antioxidants, and it helps to slow down the production of wrinkles and helps to fight premature aging. And the main thing is, it also improves the overall appearance of your skin. So you know the reason why I choose orange now? It is very, very good for the skin. Very, very good. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody is true. So I'm done peeling my oranges, then my carrots are washed. So I'm moving on to the third ingredient, which is ginger. Ginger is also high in antioxidants and helps to preserve the skin collagen. Ginger promotes natural glow from within. Like I mentioned earlier, this juice is also ideal for detox because of this ginger, as it flushes out toxins from your body. So ginger is essential. Make sure you add ginger to this juice. Now it's time for me to blend. You can proceed to use your juicer if you have, but I'm going to be using my blender. So what I'm doing now, I'm adding the carrots and the ginger in the blender. I will be adding some water so the blade will be able to move properly, and so that I'll be able to extract all the liquid. Then I will cover the blender and blend until smooth. Now that I'm done blending, I'm going to transfer the contents into this bowl that has been lined with cheesecloth so that I can squeeze out all the juice from it.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else, true.
Now that I'm done straining, I'm adding my fresh orange juice. Oh, I did not film when I was squeezing it, but that's what I just added, fresh orange juice, and I'm mixing it thoroughly. I'm combining it thoroughly, and voila, our juice is ready. This can be enjoyed daily with ice cube, or you can as well put it inside the fridge. Just make sure you serve it chilled. So will you be trying this simple recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like this video and share with your family and friends. I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.